So today we'll be discussing about Paddle. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for the app marketplace here, and you can search for Paddle for workflows. We have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts, or you can choose them all. If you choose them all, if gives you the options of automatically installing the updated version. So right now, I'm just choosing a specific sub account that is location one. Continue with that, allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. The next step will be moving forward towards the agency level. It is loading at the moment. The next step will be moving forward towards the specific sub account on which we have installed Paddle for workflows. As you can see, it is installed. Choose the sub account, and we are here now. The next step will be moving forward towards the app configuration to get the app configured into our workflows. To do that, let me show you how to do that. Find for app configuration down below in the navigation bar, and after that, just taking a while. Here we are. Here you will be seeing all of your installed app on this specific sub account. Find for Paddle and get it configured. To do that, you have to create an account with Paddle, and down below in the authentications, you can just create your own API key. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are in our Paddle account, and now you can see in the navigation bar for the developers tool, it is a drop down. If you click on it, you can find for the authentications, and here you can just create your own API key. Generate API key, the name, and the description of that. To set an example, we will be just entering some state data. And after that, which we have entered the data, you can see here is the API key. You have to copy this API, just paste it there, submit, and it is successful. Now moving forward towards the automations to create a workflow and to check on the actions are working correctly or not. Above in the navigation bar, you can find for the add automations. And here we will be just creating a workflow. Create a workflow and start from scratch. Here we are in the workflow builder. Now we have to just create a new action. Find for Paddle. Here it is. These are the variety of actions you can use in your workflows and create your automations. You can just create address, you can just create customer, you can create price, you can create a product, you can just get them, you can update them, you can do whatever you want. So for the moment, let's just create a customer. Enter the name. We are using static data to set an example here as well. Don't forget to add and miss out any of the formalities you need here. As you can see, it is very simpler. Just save this whole and test your workflows with any of your contacts, run this test, and head towards the execution logs. As you can see, the action is successfully executed. It is that simple and easy. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.